A perfect April day and a great place to be. Two good reasons to go fly. On this Sunday morning, that great place to be was a pretty little beach called Patricia Bay. From Pitt Meadows, it isn't a long flight, but it sure is a scenic one. To stay clear of Vancouver's busy airspace, ATC sent us south along the coast, well into the US, before turning us back towards Canada and across the Georgia Strait. From there it became a scenic aerial island hopping tour, eventually descending over Pender Island for Victoria International Airport. We parked at the Flying Club, grabbed a quick Uber ride, and we're there, right under the departure end of the runway, but it feels a world away. It's not swimming weather, but with the tide this far out, it doesn't really matter. And for Zeus, this is paradise. Wide open space, shallow water, and an unlimited supply of catch-the-treats. Living in the most beautiful part of the world and having a little plane to explore it with, well, that's magic.